Well, today's Sunday, October 5th. It's about 1:15 in the afternoon. We were just at the fuel dock. We topped off the fuel tank, pumped out the holding tank. Looks like it's going to be a good day for sailing. A little bit breezy. Temperatures in the low 50s. Waves are supposed to be in the 1 to 3 foot range. So we'll see if we have a great day. Engine's been running pretty good so far this morning, getting over to the fuel dock anyway. So hopefully have a great afternoon. Well, it's 1:25. Got the sails up. We're doing 6 knots. And beam reach. We get to Chicago in a few hours at this rate. We'll be there in 4 hours. Well, we're on a beam reach still. Spray's coming over the bow. Had to close the forward hatch. Didn't want to get too wet down there. It's not too cold, at least right now.
Well,
Doing 6.2 to 6.7 knots. Up. Helm couldn't handle that. Look at that, 30 degrees. That's 2:35. We just tacked. Heading about 330 degrees, magnetic. Still doing about 6 knots. On the beam reach with one reef in, and we got the jib out a little bit. Gusting pretty good occasionally. Well, it's 3:50. Just passing Waukegan. Got to head a little bit further north. Do this for maybe another half hour or so, and plan to get back into the dock sometime around 5. Enjoying our brisk wind today. Temperatures are still in the 50s. Wind chill's probably low 50s. It's not too bad when the sun's out. About 6 knots still. It's kind of calm now. Well, it's about 4:15. We just tacked, heading south again. Winds died down a little bit, but we're heading into the prevailing waves at this point. A little chillier now that the cloud covers come up. of the marina entrance. Winds are gusting pretty good right now.
High.
That's about 7:15. Decided to turn the engine on. Off the main. So that's 5:25. Sails down. About a half mile from the entrance to the marina. Clouded up, cooled off a little bit. Not too bad though. Only ended up with 3 layers on instead of going to the 4 or 5. So far the motor's been pretty strong. Going about 4.3 knots. Well, it's 4:33, turning into the marina. Nice brisk sail, or 5:33, yeah. Turning in the marina. That's a pretty good sail today. Lots of wind, gusts. Had to put a reef in the main. All in all, I enjoyed it a lot.